created by joy.
Hello, this is Ivy from Huale Inflatable.
Hi, this is Lisa from Huale Inflatable.
I'm Alan. Welcome to Huale.
Since its establishment in 2011, Huale has been dedicated to the production of inflatable products and has become the largest inflatable product company in South China. We have always adhered to the brand philosophy of created by joy, sincerely listened to the voices of each customer, and passionately created products full of surprises and happiness. Just like the inflatable paddleboard under the sun, which carries people's desire for freedom and happiness. The inflatable air track in fitness rooms, which stands for people's pursuit of health and vitality. The inflatable tents at dusk accompany you through peaceful and beautiful moments of tranquility. They also embody the vision and mission of Huale. Here at Huale, it's all about quality and commitment. Our super factory spans 430,556 square feet and boasts certifications from BSCI, ISO, SQP, and other top industry standards. Equipped with advanced production facilities, we supply over 30,000 products monthly and achieve an annual shipment of RMB 200 million. We emphasize durability and comfort by cooperating with suppliers of high-quality PVC and non-slip EVA material. Each step of our production process is carefully controlled. Precision cutting ensures its perfect contours and non-slip surfaces. Eco-friendly UV inks ensure vibrant colors and long-lasting patterns. Non-toxic adhesive reinforces seams for premium quality, and high-temperature reinforcement strengthens materials for better pulling and printing properties. Our products have received CE, REACH, RoHS, and other certifications, so you can be sure you're getting the best experience possible. Over the past decade, more than 2,000 customers have chosen Huale, and that hard-earned trust continues to drive us forward. We are always focused on product innovation, developing more than 120 new products each year, and holding more than 40 national patents to meet ever-changing market demands. At Huale, happiness is everywhere. Our 300-plus employees are dedicated ambassadors of joy and provide enthusiastic customer service. We believe that happiness is not a destination, but the beauty we encounter on our journey. Huale, we look forward to meeting you.